Here's the app called Dreams, social network for dreamers. So let's just tap and see how it works. So here is the app. Make your dreams come true with Dreams, the first ever social network dedicated to providing the inspiration and support you need to fulfill them. Dreamers can change the world. When was the last time someone asked you what your dream is? It's no secret that we all have one. The problem is that we are not doing much to make that dream a reality. Most of us lack motivation and are stuck in a rut. So how do you get out of it? Dreams, the app that helps you with goal setting, provides inspiration, and boosts your motivation. So here, just open it up. You can send you into. So then you finally you're in the app, and this app looks like basically
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
like TikTok, and then in this app you just basically sharing your dreams, what you're dreaming of in this short video format.
Hi, my name is.
And there are some users here.
Hi, my name is Itai.
Hey, this is Robbie. I'm a marketer.
Hi, my name is Orange.
Hey everyone.
And then yeah, you just have all of these different people sharing their dreams, and then you just have AI mentor.
My name is DJ.
And then yeah, pretty cool idea. So this app got some initial traction. I think it's still not that well developed. I think it just needs some design updates. And then you can record your own dream and share it. And then whatever. As there is just as an example here, let's see what will happen. You create your dream. You generate milestones, and then you can keep it private. And then add to your list. And then here is a dream, and then yeah, you add other people. So pretty cool concept. You invite other people, and that's DREEMZ app invitation code which you can use here. So yeah, try it out.